Hey foodies! Today, we're diving into the world of the Indian cuisine. Specifically, we're making a delicious chicken tikka masala. Let's start by dicing up our onion and blending it with our masala spices and salt. Next, let's grind our tomatoes and add a little more of the masala spice blend. Once that's done, take your chicken pieces and rub them down with the delicious mixture we just made. Don't forget to use all the leftover marinade as well. Now, let's get cooking. Grab your garlic from before and saute it in oil for about 30 seconds. Add the remaining chicken marinade to the pan and saute for another 5 minutes. Next, toss in some tomato puree, ginger paste, fresh chili, and half a teaspoon of masala spices. Let everything cook together for about 8 minutes. Finally, add a can of crushed tomatoes and let it simmer for another 8 minutes. Once your mouth-watering chicken tikka masala is ready, serve it up with some rice or naan bread. And there you have it, a mouth-watering Indian dish right at home. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you enjoy this recipe and want to see more delicious dishes like this one, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes coming your way soon. Happy cooking, everyone!